right, so we're day 3.
2000.
Day 3 of fencing. Yesterday we didn't get super far, but we actually ended up peeling a bunch of posts, which worked out really great because we got them in the back of the truck here. We did 20, so that puts us quite a bit ahead, and hopefully that will
get us Pasture 1 complete?
Well, it should be all the wood posts we need for that, and then maybe a few extras. So
yes,
anyways,
the weather has not fully agreed with us, but it's sunny and dry right now, so off we're gonna go.
Yeah, go back, jump the tractor, keep going on post holes, and hopefully it goes relatively well. Anyways, we'll
I'll be sure to film the meltdowns. Second time today, we're boosting the tractor with the truck. It's now Monday, probably around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and so far we've managed to get in two posts. What do you say about that, Chris?
You better start going better, or else we'll be doing temporary electric.
This is why everybody on all those lovely videos does temporary electric. Why were we doing permanent?
Mostly coyotes.
Yeah, coyotes, and it's really hard work moving electric around all apple trees and everything else, so, and we don't want to take those down. So anyway, here we go.
Do it again?
Yep. As you can see, Chris has got her back running again, so we're going for take 3.
Won't dig anything, but like,
so
we've dug that down another foot and we've hardly done anything. Like it just...
Tractor that far, digging holes, 0 for the tractor, a lot more for us.
But look, watch this. Oh, okay, I'll empty this out, demonstrate. Just 1 second here, so that doesn't look like I'm just putting more dirt in. So I'm basically at the bottom
let's just
of this, but then watch what I do.
And it's got a bunch more.
Like it's breaking off, no problem for me.
Yet the auger on the tractor seems to not want to work as hard as us.
Basically done that the entire time we've owned it. There's no rocks. There's no rocks back in that one. I don't. Whatever. That was stuff full of rocks, but don't know.
Well, it died. So
jump
we will
again.
Jump it again.
So now we got 2 problems. It's
I can't even see your face.
Probably the alternator. Probably the alternator. And for some reason it keeps stalling out. I just think it doesn't like to work.
The trials and tribulations of fencing. Are you ready to say on to the next thing yet?
I know you were saying we'd just sell everything a second ago.
Yeah, that didn't make it to camera.
Farm.
Oh well.
Like, that's not even hard.
I know.
It's not even dry. It's kind of, it's not wet, but like...
It's crumbly.
Yeah.
Well, let's loosen all the holes up and then come back with the tractor and try again.
Spoon feed the tractor.
Yep, I guess. It's our only option at this point in time.
Here you go, you big baby.
Here, we dug the first half for you. It's like when somebody twists off the lid for the thing and you go, oh, I loosened it. That's us for the tractor.
Tractors. Horses or oxen, looking good. Except they won't build a fence.
Basically our plan at this point
You don't have have a plan.
We don't have a plan, no. It's now 5:30 on Monday night. Chris is back to work on Tuesday. So far, still only 2 posts in. We've probably got...
They're just sitting in the hole.
Well, they're just sitting in the hole. They're not even in exactly. Discouraging.
So, I think we're done for a bit. We didn't do terrible in the grand scheme of things, I guess, but definitely this is probably us setting too much, too high of expectations.
High hopes, yes.
Yeah, we didn't get as much done as we thought, and we're still not really done, so yeah, it's going to drag on for another week or two.
Month or two. We didn't even get one strip up. Oh my goodness.
Of the posts. But
maybe we're really, really bad fencers.
I don't know. I'm blaming the tractor.
Let's blame the tractor, but
yeah, this is kind of what this is pretty much what we got done. They're not tampered in, they're just kind of in there. We'll obviously go back once the fence is up, and probably it cools down, we'll go back and cut them down to kind of a similar height, but yeah, I guess technically they're all in except for what, 3 going this way?
Yeah.
Because there's 2 down by the tractor, and then there's 1 in the middle that we tried putting water in the hole to loosen it up, and that didn't really make any difference, so gotta kind of wait for that to dry out. But anyways, unfortunately, unlike the what is it, the shoemaker and the elves, nobody's coming to build the fence for us tonight, so it'll be like this later. But
can't see if I'm in it or not. Can you see?
Yeah.
It's very bright.
Okay. I'll hit play.
I'm already on play.
How are you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I was filming you opening the truck,
right.
the hood. So we're back out in the field.
So it's what, Thursday? So it was Monday we were out here doing fence holes. Wasn't going well.
No.
And we weren't necessarily in the best frame of mind by the end of the day on Monday. Anyways, a couple days later, and we've got a game plan, so we're going to jump the tractor, get it back up, put it on the trickle charger, and hopefully that helps with the
makes things run a little smoother this weekend.
Yeah, basically. But anyways, still think it's all interesting or worthwhile to document, because it's that ongoing frustration of things not going as planned, or maybe feeling like there's too much on our plate, or however, whatever you want to call it.
I'm pretty sure too much on the plate is a standard for most homesteads.
Yeah, I think you're probably right. But I think, yeah, we were chatting about it earlier today, and our thing is just, even we're getting close to the year mark.
It's hard to believe we've been here a year, and it feels like we have not gotten anything done.
We have, it just doesn't feel like we're as far ahead as we were hoping to be, so.
It's nice when you get the odd visitor that comes by, and you know, they don't see it every day, and they look at it and go, geez, you guys have done a lot, and that's sort of what you need sometimes to keep going. But yeah.
Anyways, we'll get this started, get it back, and
then take the goats for a walk for a nice evening.
Yeah, relaxing,
enjoyable time.
Hopefully they cooperate. But,
famous last words.
But, anyways, I guess we'll continue on with this
really
and
bright.
Go to the. Yeah, we got it facing the right way, but we're looking into the sun. But right way for the camera, wrong way for us.
Wear a hat. Wear a hat.
I did wear a hat.
I didn't.
Anyways, we'll do this and go on to the next thing.